What's up, everybody? This is Brian here with Beamers and Nikki's Adventures. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Just wanted to make a little video, just a little touch up because I did a touch up video on my 2015 Colorado that I picked up 3 months ago. I did a little, video on that. But downfall on that, man, is I had to give it back to CarMax. CarMax basically sold me a truck, said everything was legit, turned around, Capital One says, no, we're not going to finance you, get the truck back. What? I'm ready to make a payment and everything. They tell me, get the truck back. So I'm like, hell no, you took my trade in. Like, what the hell are you talking about? What are you talking about now? So I had to do all that. It was a bunch of clusterfuck. So when it comes to CarMax, guys, pay attention. Yes, they have great, a lot of cars for cheap, something to get done quick, but make sure what you're signing. I mean, I even signed the contract, thought it was legit, but they turned around, this is Florida, no fault, whatever. It's a bunch of clusterfuck. So let's not get in that. I gave them back their piece of shit truck. Yeah, it was a great truck, but to me, it was a piece of shit because everything happens for a reason. Good things happen, okay? Turned around, gave them the truck. All right, now I have no vehicle. Thank God. Good people out there, family, loved ones, took the time to look around for me. Found a beautiful Toyota Tacoma 2019, same payments as I was paying on the Colorado, about the same price. But with the Colorado, it had 41,000 miles. The Toyota has 15,000 miles. Now it has about 21 because it's been about 2 months since I've had it. But I didn't do a video, so now here's the video on the Tacoma. Also, I did a leveling kit on the front and back. I'm going to tell you what kind of size tires I put on it, if there's clearance, and all that. So here we go, guys. So bam. That Yoder, boy. (2019) Yoder. Toyota Tacoma. Nice truck. And there's those mud tires. 3-inch lift. So it's definitely a good little choice. I mean, I did pay a little bit of money, but you get what you pay for. I've always dreamed when I was a kid, I want to go ahead and lift my truck, So as of now, and my life and how things have been working, I've been clean and sober now for almost 10 years. I would say maybe 7 years. So everything happens for a reason. But yeah, man, this is the inside of it. It's a little dirty, but look at that little ball. What? That ball is so serious, huh? And then I turned around and put a 12 in. A little box here. So I did all that, got a nice little bump. Listen to that Tom McDonald. What? That boy's something serious now. Burden. Also, I'm gonna give a shout out to what's that boy name? 4G out of blow. What? Tampa represent, you know what I mean? I'm in St. Pete, so close to home. Man, we be rocking them, man. I'm telling you. Republicans all the way, baby. Represent. Stay true to your country, man. This country's going down to shit, man. We need to do something right, but let's go ahead and get off that subject because there are some sore losers out there. Don't want to talk about it. It's called facts, but let's get off of it. I mean, because everything's smacking you in the face right now. Everything's going high in prices, but let's get off that. I'm done. No more talking. So anyways, let's go ahead and go back. So I put on 285, 75, 16s mud tires, okay, with a 3-inch leveling kit on the front, 3-inch leveling kit on the back. So you know how most trucks have, you know, the back's always up a little bit. They wanted me to do a 3 up front, 2.5 or 2 in the back, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna do 3 all around. Boom, lift it up, put those tires on there. You gotta love it, man. Them spacers, man, does right. Did not have to put, not spacers, but the leveling kit's perfect. Put the 285 75 16s. Use the same rims. You know what I mean? Got the, what are they? The bear claw, or I'm gonna say mud claws. Them boys are something serious, boy. Mud claws, man. I think I paid 135 each. Good little tires. Nice. They're not whoa, 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 whoa down the road. They're actually nice. You know, there is no rubbing whatsoever when I turn, so it clears up. So if you guys are, you know, wanting to do this also, there's no rubbing up front, so it's definitely good, man. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any comments, questions, any of that about your Toyota, or you know, comment below. Also, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to keep following and looking at our videos, jet skis are coming up. Did a jet ski ride, I think it was yesterday or the day before with my wife. We went out, rode, did a video on that also. That was a little cool, you know. A lot of sea creatures out there, I'm telling you, man. So I got some videos of that coming up. Every ride we do, I'm gonna go ahead and put that up. So if you guys wanna follow that, welcome, man, welcome. So that's coming up. So hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, peace.